All right, we got the gas, we got the welder, and we got a Bronco. Phew. She's a little rusty on the manifold here. Check this out. So we got ourselves a little hole right there on the exhaust manifold, and the ears actually broke off on the manifold too, right by that bolt, and the nut's gone, but it's not leaking there, it's leaking by the hole, and it's also down below. Look at that. That's terrible. It's broken on the bottom as well. So I'm gonna heat it up and try to weld her shut. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck. I got this. I ain't worried. Alright, we got her all welded up. Look at that. Freaking mint. And I also welded a stud in there. But we also got to fix the back handle. It rusted out and somebody tried fixing it before, but they did a terrible job. So I'll get it right.